Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Doing Fun Things with Makeup. Today I'm trying out some stuff that I have only seen on the internet and I have yet to do for myself. I am going to be starting with doing a base for myself, but because we are not going to be focusing on any of the major things, I'm just going to do a simple base with a concealer, putting in some color corrector, and forming a solid base with that. We are not going in with foundation and all of the other stuff today because that is not the focus. Hang on tight while I start with my concealer and base with that one to give my face somewhere to start from. You might be able to see that my face is looking much more one color than it was before. Here, I turn on my light back on. We have this solid base foundation, one colored thing to start from than we did before. I have dark toned skin and a lot of irregularities with my skin color, so when I don't have any base on, you can see the pigmentation, and when that's why I go in with my color corrector and stuff, so I don't have all of that. Up next, now that I've had that, what I'm trying to do basically is I got these little flowers from my friend, and I'm going to be trying out a little look because I was having a conversation with my friend and I told them I was going to try and do an eyeshadow look without actually having any eyeshadow on top of my eyelids because they have really hooded eyes. So this is for you, Phoenix. I am going to be doing an eyeshadow look with no eyeshadow on my eyelids. You might have seen my cat in the background. There he is. For now, let's see how this works out. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for being with me. Once again, not once again. I do have to apologize that last time I was trying out my audio stuff and I hadn't actually learned how to do that, right? And so there were some audio issues with my last video. Thank you for everyone for sticking out with me, and I appreciate your patience while I learn how to edit and make videos while also having fun with my makeup stuff. Y'all are great. Thank you for sticking out with me, and I love every one of you and appreciate your patience. And from that, let's keep moving forward. Folks, this is what we have ended up with. I am really liking this. I feel like I am oops, did not realize I had glitter on my hands. I'm gonna go clean that up in a second. But yeah, so far I am feeling like a furry princess, or prince, queen, king, whichever you want to go with today. I feel like this is so much focus on the rest of my face. Maybe I shouldn't be doing my eyes so bright and visual as I always do, which was kind of what I thought might happen, which is why I had decided from the initial get-go not to do my eyes too bright. But while we are here, we're also going to finish up with the rest of this. I am going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner, some highlight, and go ahead and finish my face because this is not going to be a very long video because how much better can you get from this? right, folks, and this is it. We are done. This will be my look for the day, or about to the shower. I really enjoyed doing this. This was a lot of fun. I feel like I've never done something like this, and I look really different and very glittery and very shiny, and I feel like I should be running through the forest with this look. Giving magic and happiness to everybody. As always, like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell. Let me know if you have any thoughts, questions, and concerns. And apart from that, I hope you have a great day, and please try doing this for yourself. It's fun. Have fun, y'all.